Ready, start. The election campaign is over and the voters are all set to choose the governments in the states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand on November 20. The first phase of polling for Jharkhand Assembly in 43 constitutions was held on November 13. Votes will be counted on November 23. In Maharashtra, BJP Mahayuti is trying to retain power and the Maha Vikas Aghadi combine is hoping for a strong comeback in Jharkhand. Fear the bloc is in power. The BJP-led NDA alliance is trying to upstate it. November 20 will also witness polling for state assembly by elections in the political sensitive states like Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Where NDA performed poorly in the recent Lok Sabha elections. The outcome of 9 assembly high polls in up will test internal cohesion within the BJP state unit, witnessing factional para. The political landscape of Maharashtra has changed dramatically compared to previous elections. Following the split within the two major regional parties and the formation of new alliances with national parties, the state is set for an interesting contest. While the 2014 assembly elections tested the individual strengths of all the major players as they separately, and the 2024 election saw familiar partners learning the 2024 elections venture into uncharted territories during the last week of campaign. The election fever has intensified. Both major have their manifestos. The BJP is banking on the two categories and its refined version एक है तो safe है, while the Maha Vikas Aghadi is repaying on its familiar case census strategy, promising to lift the 50% reservation cap. Meanwhile, rebel candidates are flexing their muscles, aiming to disturb both sides in this fire contest. While both the sides are competing in the politics of the election has evolved into a hyper-local contest. The elections are expected to be closely watched as the new political elements test their strength in a significantly altered landscape. Para. After the polling concluded, all eyes will turn to the much anticipated exit poll results, which will be released soon after the polling process. The ECI mandates the exit poll results cannot be announced until half an hour after the polling ends. In the age of social media working round the clock to away public opinion, this restriction has lost some of its relevance. However, one disturbing aspect of the political comparison that stands out in this election is their fragments, misconducted of intimate freedoms and provocation appeals. The ECI has failed to address this challenge to the conduct of free and fair elections. प्यारा